are proud to present the Cultivate, a revolutionary soil sterilizing machine. The only solution for the universal sterilization and treatment of soil that does not use any chemicals whatsoever. The Cultivate has been developed over the last 7 years by the Cultive Company. Soil contains many pests and diseases, weeds, fungi, nematodes, viruses, and more. Until now, several methods of soil sterilization have been used. The introduction of chemicals into the soil, steam, or solar radiation. Methyl bromide has been the most commonly method used because of its universal ability to kill most soil diseases efficiently. Sterilizing with methyl bromide continues for 4 to 5 days and is followed by a waiting period. Methyl bromide has been used for over 50 years. Recently, a United Nations committee determined that it is harmful to both human beings and to the ozone. The committee decided to reduce the amount marketed each year by 25% until it would no longer be sold in a number of countries by the year 2002 and worldwide by 2005. In recent years, in seeking alternatives, the Cultivate that uses extremely hot air was developed to sterilize soil in hothouses and in open fields. Research and development starting from 1996 has produced different models of the Cultivate, from a towed machine that generated a temperature of 250 degrees Celsius to a self-propelling machine that generates a temperature of 800 degrees Celsius and moves at a speed of between 270 to 340 meters an hour. The Cultivate is a registered patent and has gained the recognition of soil sterilization professionals and experts, as shown on Israel television in a program on scientific innovations. The Cultivate is moved on a crawler tractor that allows close contact with the ground and is equipped with a remote control system. It allows the operator more time and makes it easier for him to watch and protect the structure in which he is working. The sterilization system has 2 parts. The first, a specially developed rotavator made of materials that are resistant to extreme heat. Its function is to break the soil down into small particles that will allow the heat to reach each grain of soil. The standard depth for tilling and sterilizing is 35 centimeters, but it is possible to reach a depth of 50 centimeters. The second part, the heating system, generates extremely hot air of over 800 degrees Celsius at the exit points from which it permeates the tilled soil. The Cultivate consumes comparatively little energy, 90% less than steam sterilizing, and can work inside hothouse structures and in open fields. The Cultivate works slowly, but prepares the ground and sterilizes in one operation so that the ground is ready for planting or sowing immediately after sterilization. There is no need to wait for materials to evaporate or for the process to be completed as in chemical or solar sterilization. No nylon strips are left on the ground, and there is no residue of chemicals. The sterilization process does not present any risk to the operator and does not require any special sterilization license as needed for chemicals. The speed and quality of the sterilization has been improved during development. The new Cultivate models will be faster and have an increased sterilization capacity so that the cost of sterilization will be reduced accordingly. The Cultivate development process was accompanied by laboratory tests and scientific research. Oded Yaffe has worked in agriculture and agricultural experiments for 30 years. He owns an agricultural laboratory that has followed the development of the Cultivate from its beginnings.
במשך 4 שנים אנחנו מבצעים את הניסויים האלה. אנחנו ביצענו עשרות חלקות חיטוי וניסויים, ואנחנו חוזרים על המצב. כל מקום שיש חיטוי בקלטיל, בית השורשים עצום.
Dr. Avichail Greenberg Abu is a doctor of agricultural sciences from the agricultural faculty of the Hebrew University in Rehovot, who has specialized over the years in soil sterilization. He was a member of the team that developed solar sterilization in Israel and dealt with this subject in his doctoral thesis. Dr. Abu has provided scientific follow-up for the Cultivate development.
הפקטור העיקרי שמשפיע על בריאות הצמחים, על ההון של הצמחים, הוא מחלות. מחלות או היעדר מחלות כמובן. ומבחינה הזאת קרוב לוודאי שהחיטוי של קלטיב יש לו אפקט טוב מאוד מבחינת חיטוי קרקע ומבחינת הדברת מחלות, ביעור מחלות. בניסויים ובשטחים המקצועיים שאנחנו עובדים, החיטוי ממשיך לעבוד אפילו 3 שנים. אין כזה דבר בחיטוי. אנחנו ממשיכים לעקוב אחרי מספר שטחים בגידול של פרחים, קולרבי, כרוב, ואנחנו רואים יעילות של חיטוי 3 שנים. כנראה שהאפקט הוא הרבה יותר יציב מאשר חיטויים אחרים, ולכן הוא מתמשך גם על פני 2 ו3 שנים. בתי שורשים בהשוואה לחיטויים אחרים יותר מכפול. זאת אומרת, אנחנו רואים בתי שורשים בגודל של 55 סנטימטר עומק, בחיטוי קלטיב אחרי 3 שנים, בהשוואה לחיטוי במתיל ברומיד 35 סנטימטר ו-25 סנטימטר. כל חקלאי, כמעט ללא יוצא מן הכלל, כל חקלאי שהתנסה בשיטה הזאת, הוא לא מוכן להחליף אותה בשום שיטה אחרת ותיקה ומנוסה וידועה. הוא לא רוצה להחליף אותה.
Science has its place, but it is impossible to argue with the results and the reaction of farmers.
החיטוי בשיטת קלטיב, קרי על ידי מתכחה ומפח של חום, חוסך לנו לא מעט עבודה ביחס למתילברומיד או הטילופיק. אחד זה שאנחנו לא צריכים להשתמש ביריעות פלסטיק בחיפוי הקרקע. 2, לאחר החיטוי בשיטת קלטיב אין צורך בשטיפת הקרקע, דבר החוסך בין 100 ל-200 קוב.
אנחנו נמצאת בשטח של אסקלפיוס שקיבל חיטוי מטל ברומיד, חצי וחצי קיבל חיטוי מקלטיב. פה בצד ימין שלי אתה רואה את התוצאות אחרי 2 גידול של מטל ברומיד, איפה התמוטט יותר מ-60% מהפרחים. ופה של קלטיב, אפילו יש התמוטטות, אתה רואה שיש לי לפחות 70-80% מהשטח עוד בסדר.
A better root system, better growth, higher yield on all crops for which the sterilization was used. Growers report on saving water and weed control without the addition of pesticides. No dangerous materials are introduced into the soil. There is no damage to the environment and no risk to the operator. The ground is ready for immediate planting. There is a 30% increase in yield and there are no disadvantages. How come no one has thought of this before? The Cultivate is a universal, revolutionary, and healthy soil sterilization system that maintains the balance in the soil without damage to the environment. The Cultivate is a product of the House of Cultive. The future of soil sterilization has arrived at Cultive.